Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Canva with an image ready. First, create a new design using the correct preset or custom dimensions so you keep proportions. Upload your photo or drag a template image from Canva's library onto the canvas and position it where you want the text to appear. Once placed, lock that background layer to avoid shifting it as you work. This initial setup saves time and prevents layout mistakes later, so make sure it's stable before adding text. Now add your text element. Select Add Text and choose a heading or body style so you establish visual hierarchy. You'll type your copy and then style it. Select a font pair that matches mood and legibility, adjust size and weight, and tweak letter spacing and line height for balance. Once done, ensure contrast by changing text color, adding a subtle shadow, or placing a semi-transparent rectangle behind the words. These choices improve readability and make the message pop without overpowering the image. Finish by aligning the text precisely using Canva's guides and snapping. Group it with other elements so everything moves together. Then export in the right format: PNG for sharp edges and transparency, JPG for smaller files, checking the export size and quality settings. If you run into issues like unreadable text, make sure to increase contrast, add a subtle overlay, or reposition the text onto a less busy area. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.